We are starting a new series of famous conspiracy theories. Our first topic is Rajasthan's famous Bhangar Fort. Warning, don't continue if you have a weak heart.
The Bhangar Fort is located on the border of the Sariska Reserve in the Aravali range of hills in Alwar district of Rajasthan. The nearest village is Golakabaz. The fort is situated at the foot of the hills on sloping terrain. The ruins of the king's palace are located on the lower slope of the hills. Trees surround the pond area and a natural stream falls into the pond within the premises of the palace. The fort is located 235 kilometers from Delhi, and the approach to the entrance of the gate of the fort lasts 2 kilometers. The fort is 20 miles from Thana Ghazi. The nearest airport is Jalpai. Popularly known for being the most haunted place in India, Bhangar was in fact a flourishing town in ancient times. Built for his son, Man Singh I, in the 17th century by Madho Singh, one of the 9 Ratnas of Emperor Akbar's court, Bhangar Fort was once a thing of beauty and power. It is believed that over 10,000 people used to reside in Bhangar before it was allegedly deserted overnight. Spooky. Standing in ruins, this 400-year-old grand edifice and the spread town around it owe their present state to the pitiful Bhangar story that sealed its ill fate. Here's another Bhangar story that's about a different and a more frightening tale behind the doom of Bhangar. As per the folklore, there was a princess of Bhangar named Ratnavati who was a woman of extreme beauty. Hypnotized by her extreme beauty, a necromancer in the region fell in love with her. In order to get her, he put a spell of black magic on the oil that the princess was supposed to use for massage. But before his dirty ploy could work, Princess Ratnavati caught a whiff of his trickery and threw off the magic laden oil onto a huge boulder in the vicinity. This was when the doomsday clock of Bhangar fort and the whole town was set in a countdown. The black magic worked its way and caused the boulder to crush the tantric to his death. However, before breathing his last, he cursed the entire town of Bhangar, struck down by grief and despondency, to slowly succumb to his utter desolation just like him. Proving his dreading last words right, the next year itself, the ruler of Bhangar suffered a calamitous defeat at the hands of an enemy. His entire army was annihilated, and all of the inhabitants of Bhangar were brutally massacred. While the fate of the princess is still a mystery, it is said that she was condemned to roam in the precincts of Bhangar stuck in a limbo. It is said all of the people of Bhangar can still be heard in the Bhangar fort at night, doomed to linger in this realm, never to leave the cold environs of the place, hopeless and restless. Strange as it is, Bhangar Ka Kila could be the only tourist spot in India where the entry of foreign tourists is not freely permissible. They need to obtain a special permit to gain entry into the premises of the Bhangar fort. It is not the only Bhangar fort story, but also the fact that among the tourists getting lost in the region, there's a large number of foreigners, which angered the government officials owing to their disregard for rules and caused them to take strict steps. The mysteries of Bhangar don't seem to ever cease. Once you visit this eerie place in Rajasthan, you will get to know what we mean. Every house located in the entire area is roofless. Yes, no house whatsoever has a complete roof on its head. It is prevalent that the sage who cursed the town to its entire devastation is responsible for it. As per the locals, it is impossible to construct a roof on these houses, since as soon as one is built, it collapses, which has killed many people in the past. This is yet another nerve-wracking fact about the Bhangar fort's history. But all this hasn't stopped archaeologists from studying the area. They have found things of great historical significance in the Bhangar fort, like wall paintings, tools, and carvings. Bhangar fort's history is nothing but one with utter misery and anguish, which, as the locals claim, is translated into misfortune and horrible accidents. The locals narrate the Bhangar story of the three daredevils who decided to stay in Bhangar premises post sundown. Despite being equipped with a torch, one of the three guys fell into a deep well. Thankfully, he was rescued soon by his friends who rushed to the hospital to get him treated. But as it was perhaps predestined, all three of them got crushed in a freaky road accident and died. In another incident, as per the locals, a group of friends sightseeing in Bhangar got the glimpse of what seemed like the apparition of a boy in a house without a door but a grilled window. This and many other stories are popular or rumored to be true around here. It is completely forbidden to stay inside the Bhangar fort at night. ASI has put up boards at several spots in Bhangar warning against staying in the premises after sunset and before sunrise. Noises from inside the fort premises during night time and the air gets charged with an uneasy heaviness. It is said that spirits roam inside the closed gates at these hours and the place becomes a hotbed for paranormal activities. In fact, if the locals are to be believed, whoever has attempted to stay back in the fort or the nearby area after dark has never returned to tell their tale. All these incidents have led to a popular saying, "What happens in Bhangar stays in Bhangar." This and many other stories are popular or rumored to be true around here. So what do you think? Rumor or truth? So with this we end our chapter of the mystery that is Bhangar. Hope you liked our video, and at the end it falls on your shoulder to judge whether Bhangar is actually haunted. Look, I won't spend 1 minute in that spooky place, but the question is, will you?
भांगर फोर्ट की सच्चाई शायद ही हम कभी जान पाए, पर अगर आपको ऐसे कंट्रोवर्सी वाले वीडियोस और देखना है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और जो बेल आइकन है उसको दबा दीजिए ताकि हमारे अगले वीडियो आने पे आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए।